Well, hey, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today to sit there and see what we have cooking. So, grab a hold of that vine, swing on to my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, I'm gonna sit there and show you how easy it is to make a gravy master, or what some of you might know as a kitchen bouquet. So, grab a hold of that vine and swing out of my kitchen so we can get cooking. Good looking. A little kitchen quickie. Now, I know I showed you that gravy master, or what some of you might call a kitchen bouquet, but I didn't show you how to make it. Well, that's what I'm here today. I'm gonna sit there and show you exactly what to do. What you're going to be needing for your gravy master is, I use the Better Than Bouillon roasted beef base, and you're going to be needing 1 teaspoon of that to 1 cup of hot water, and then you're going to be needing half a cup of sugar. Now, another tip and trick, if you have a little bit of bouillon left in the bottom of your jar, I like to sit there and just add the hot liquid right to the jar to loosen it up. Now, I grabbed a larger container so we can sit there and put our beef bouillon with the water. Now I hope I left it in here long enough to, oh yeah, see, clean. Now, let's go ahead and add the half a cup of sugar. Go ahead and mix that all up. Now, I'm just going to give this all a good stir so the sugar incorporates with the beef bouillon, and then I'm just going to hand it off to Chef Mike and let him sit there and reduce it to about half. Grab yourself a little jar, and as you saw in the video earlier when I showed you how to Instapot a whole turkey breast, well, I had all the kitchen bouquet. I've had it all in a little jar like this. Now, we went ahead, had Chef Mike reduce the sauce, and now carefully pour it into your little jar that you're gonna keep it in. Now that's how easy it was to make your very own gravy master, or what some of you might know as a kitchen bouquet. Now, if you watch my Instapot turkey breast, you'll sit there and see how I went ahead and I used up the gravy master or the kitchen bouquet here. Now, if you liked what you saw here today, please give me a big old thumbs up. If you're a new subscriber to my channel, hey, welcome. And if you're not yet a subscriber, go up, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And most of all, here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Y'all come back now. You hear?